Looking back on 2021, my favorite skincare finds. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now. On this channel, we cover everything from makeup to meditation to fashion to anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, since it's the end of the year, I thought I'd go over some of the skincare products that I discovered this year. Some are brand new products, others are just new to me. But I bought a lot of new items. Some worked, some didn't. These are just some of the best that I want to recommend. Now, gadgets were really big this year. So many people were promoting these big, expensive gadgets. Well, like you've heard of the big LED mask that you wear every morning for about 20 minutes. And also just the things like the new skin, which is very, very popular. They were all several $100s. I did not invest in any of these this year. Neither did I go in for any expensive treatments. However, I did invest in a couple of simple devices that really rank high with me. First of all, on this, I'm going to put a link below to this. I got it on Amazon, Koi Beauty Professional Beauty Care 6-in-1 Derma Roller. If you're not familiar with derma rolling is supposed to stimulate collagen production and overall make your skin appear younger. It's the one device with several different heads for this. This head is designed mainly for the body, and I use this on my arms, my legs, my stomach, everywhere. I've been using it for about 3 months. I do it once a month, and it just in motions. I'm going to do a whole thing on this after I've done it for about 6 months, and I can give you sort of the full results. But I have noticed a little bit of results in terms of crepey skin, in terms of cellulite. It really does help. This one is the 1200 needles, and it's 1.5 millimeters needle size, and that's the one I use for the body. This is the 720 needles for the face. This little one is 300 needles, and it's 0.5, and this is for delicate areas like around the eyes and the mouth. I also use the face one on the neck. The important thing about this, to prevent infection, you need to keep it clean. And when I first tried it, I was pressing really hard and was getting scratches and cuts on my skin. You don't do that, just roll it very, very lightly. What I do also is I put a little bit of hyaluronic acid, just a very pure serum, on my skin before using it. And then I don't put anything on the skin for at least 6 hours afterwards, just to let it absorb and just to avoid getting any infection. Another little device, I did not invest in the LED mask. However, I did get this little LED wand. And this, you turn it on. The red is what I use the most. The red is the best to increase collagen, to help prevent wrinkles and fine lines. Just run it over the face. Again, you need to put serum on before. I tend to use a basic hyaluronic acid. Sometimes I'll add a peptide serum, but nothing too thick or creamy. You want this to basically come like right next to your skin and just let the light rays penetrate. Yeah, the green is also good for fine lines and it's good for discoloration. It's not quite as powerful as the red though. The blue is really good for acne. Yellow is also good for firming. And the pink, I'm not sure what the pink is for. I haven't really used that much. Mostly I use the red and occasionally the green and the yellow. But what I do with this is I use this about 3 times a week. So I do the derma rolling about once a week, this about 3 times a week. And on the days in between, I'll just use this basic rose quartz massage roller. And that's just wonderful for firming up the tissue, stimulating the skin cells. Now, of course, my skincare finds were not limited to devices. As far as serums, you know I love The Ordinary. Now, I first discovered it around 2019, and with the first products I tried were the caffeine and the hyaluronic acid. And then later I added the buffet, the niacinamide, the matrixyl. Well, this year I added 2 new products. One was the lactic acid, 10%. This I use in the morning right after washing my face, just sort of as a toner. It helps get rid of dead skin cells, stimulate the skin. And then the other one I just discovered was our gyrolene solution. I love this. Some people have called it liquid Botox. I would not call it that. It's nowhere near that strong, and it's not an injectable. But in areas that you can't do Botox, like right under the eyes, also right around the mouth, that's an area I've never had Botox. And this is just a great way to sort of stimulate the skin, plump it up a little bit, and I think it sort of like freezes it a little bit so the wrinkles don't show. And speaking about the under eye area, I've tried a lot of these clay-based instant lift treatments. I think the best one I discovered this year was Liquid Miracle by Beverly Hills. It's called Instant Eye Tuck and Dark Circle Treatment. And this one, in addition to the sodium silicate that's in all of these solutions, it also has like the gyrolene and several other peptides. So it's good for your skin as well as having that temporary tightening effect. I'll put a link to this as well. Now, a new brand that I discovered just recently, Andalou. I think I tried something from them before, but it's just in the past couple of months that I found more products from them. They use sort of a fruit stem cell science in their products. It's all natural. This is a sort of special gift set I got of the anti-aging products. It includes cleansing milk, fruit enzyme mask, toning refresher, goji peptide perfecting cream, and resveratrol Q10 night repair cream. I've only used this for a few days, but I really love it. The cleanser, especially the mask, the night cream. I've used all of the products. I've used the perfecting cream as my moisturizer this morning and the night repair cream last night. They have some extra all-natural botanical ingredients. Everything in this is vegan. It's, cruelty-free. So I really recommend this brand. Another product I tried from Andalou Naturals, the Deep Wrinkle Dermal Filler. This is something that I put on before my makeup in the morning, and it does have sort of a little plumping effect just over areas where you get wrinkles. And of course, before doing my moisturizer, my makeup, anything else, I have to have sunscreen every morning. It's really important, particularly today I'm planning on going on a walk. The best sunscreen that I bought this year, I think, was Ulta MD Skincare UV Facial Broad Spectrum SPF 30+. This was actually recommended by one of my favorite YouTubers, Angie of Hot and Flashy. If you're not familiar with her channel, check it out. She has about 1 million subscribers. I think she's one of the best, more mature YouTubers with makeup and skincare advice. So I really like this. This is probably my go-to. I put this on after my serums, then I'll add a light moisturizer, primer, and the rest of my makeup. And as far as the basics go, I rediscovered an old brand that I used to use as a kid, as a teenager, Clinique. Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This, I think, is one of the best to get the makeup off. I can use it right on my lashes, my eyelids. It doesn't sting the eyes. It's very gentle on the entire face, moisturizing. Just a great skincare product and a great cleanser. In addition, the new Andalou that I've already mentioned, I use a lot. In terms of another brand that I rediscovered, I've liked for probably 10 years now, but I just started using it again, more so, and that is number 7. This time I bought the Restore and Renew Face and Neck Day Cream and Night Cream. Both of these are excellent. They're 2 of my go-tos. A new product I just discovered for the first time with number 7. I think this is new this year. This is the Firming Booster Serum, and it comes with these little rollers. You just squirt out a little bit of serum and roll it all along your face. So it has both the benefits of sort of a massage and a really good quality serum. So those are just some of the brands, some of the products that I discovered in 2021. I'm looking forward to more things in 2022. Jeffree Star Skincare is finally coming out. I can't wait to try that. Anyway, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.